There are several factors that go into whether or not your website is going to talk your prospect into picking up the phone and calling you. Some of those factors, we just call them website selling factors, and some of them are to do with the pictures you have in your website. Sometimes it's the headlines on your website and subheadlines. Sometimes it's the guarantees that you put on your website. And sometimes it's the reviews that you have on your website. Today we're going to be talking specifically about the reviews, testimonials, which are one of the biggest sales factors that there are. And specifically, we've been using a plugin by Trust Index that actually pulls reviews directly from Google, posts them on the client's page, and basically lays out when the review was given, the name of the client, and there's even an option, depending on the type of plugin, that depending on how you have it set up, because there's a lot of different ways to set it up, to where you can click on the client's name, and then it'll directly go to see that review directly on Google. Here's the important thing to remember. Your client, when they Google your cleaning service, they don't know you at all. They don't know who to trust. That's why they Googled your cleaning service and didn't go directly to a particular company's website. Just because they're on your website and you say you've got good reviews, or even if you put testimonials on your website, they don't necessarily believe it. They believe Google way more than they believe you. So this plugin by Trust Index can be installed. It can be automatically updated. Every time you get a new review, the number should update to the amount of reviews that you've got. And it can actually automatically put the date and the client, and there's a little Trust Index verified insignia, and be able to even embed their picture. So it's really, really neat to be able to have them click and see the review directly on Google so that they trust you and your company way more than your competition. And so here's another kind of case that we have it where, again, it just automatically scrolls through until somebody hovers over it to read it and stop. They can read more. And then two, they can have a link that clicks to see all of your reviews that takes you directly to your Google page, which again leads to the fact of them not always just believing your website, believing what's on Google. You can also, let's say you don't have a lot of reviews, right? Maybe you've only got 12, right? And if you've got more than your average competition, boast how many reviews that you have. But if it's way less than your average competition, then you might not want to put that. And instead, just put the reviews actually on your website. At least then they're seeing those reviews, and you can put the same type of thing where they can click and go directly to your Google page. A lot of this is about transparency and just showing them that you do have good reviews, you are a trusted company, and you're the company that they can trust. So this plugin can be done. You can get it yourself and install it if you'd like and tweak it. It is a paid-for plugin. We can actually install it for you. Actually, the price yearly will usually be less than what Trust Index is actually charging, but we do have a small fee to actually do the installation for you. But if you're interested in that, I won't talk any more about that. Just send me a message or send me an email, and I can give you details on that. Now, what we are doing, though, coming up here in the next couple of weeks, we're doing a workshop on how to get your website to sell better. We're going to be talking specifically more about that plugin, how to install it, how to tweak it down. We're also going to be talking about how to create the best headlines. What type of pictures sell better on a website? What type of guarantees sell better on a website? What type of videos sell better? Where to put the videos for maximum impact? We're going to be talking about all that in the How to Make Your Cleaning Website Sell workshop that we're going to be having here in just a couple of weeks. Click the link right below this video for all the details. Coaching club members, like always for these workshops, are going to be invited free. My one-on-one Platinum Mastermind members are invited for free to the workshop. So if you're part of those programs, don't register. But if you're not, definitely get signed up for this, because this is one of the biggest factors that I see so many cleaning companies just skipping and for either forgetting to do or thinking that their website's already great and selling, and it's not. How do you know? Are you booking a lot of jobs on your website? If you're not, there are some things that you really should add to your website to get it to sell better, put them in the right place, and be able to really have your prospects convinced that you're the company that they can trust above all of your competition. Click the link below this video, get signed up for the workshop. Love to help you get your website rocking and rolling and selling way, way better than it currently is.